Hi guys, I'm back again showing some more DIY formulations for all of you guys to enjoy. And I'm actually going to be making 3 different products, but very simple, only using a few ingredients or so in each. Start with a tinted moisturizer, a rosy sort of creamy blush, and a nice highlighter giving you that dewy look. But the secret is we're only using one base formula, which is actually the daily spread. It's a moisturizer with mineral sunscreen. So first up in our formulation, we're actually making a tinted moisturizer. We've got Bentonite clay, we've got corn flour, and we've got cocoa powder. And the base is going to be the daily spread moisturizer. It's all ready now guys, our tinted moisturizer. Can you imagine we made this by just using 4 ingredients. So you can see it's colored now, and I'm going to show you how to apply it on your face as well. Now guys, the next step is creating a creamy blush. All you gotta do is take a couple of pumps of the daily spread, very tiny amount. I'm using pink mica to give it a lot more color and flush to your skin, but you can obviously go with either beetroot powder and red clay. Look at this gorgeous tinted color of a rosy pink that we just created. The last product guys that we are making, again using only 2 ingredients, the daily spread moisturizer. Again, take a couple of pumps in. Now you can use this product as a highlighter just on your cheekbones, or you can actually use it on your entire face to get that dewy sort of flushed finish. So we've just taken a couple of pumps of the moisturizer, and I'm going to be adding a pearly powder mix. This product is ready. I don't think you can tell much from the Petri dish, but if you actually look at the spatula, you can see the silver color sort of gleaming on top. Guys, this is the final look that we just created by using daily spread as the base product for all the formulations. Let me know if you liked it, and I'll be coming up with more DIYs next week.